I have created a powerful Gemini AI agent that automatically runs my social media platforms. Yes, you heard it right. I own a digital marketing agency with the name Digital Dynamics, and I consistently post on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. But now, manually thinking about the content and sharing it on all platforms takes a lot of time. That's where I got up an amazing automation solution which automatically runs every day, uses AI to generate the post content, and then automatically share the same post on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at the same time without any manual effort. Yes, you heard it right. I have built a simple automation by connecting these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat. It is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says every day at a specific time, my workflow should get triggered. Gemini should generate caption and image separately and then share it as a new post on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So after analyzing my request, it is asking which scheduled Pabbly trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select schedule workflow, and for Gemini, firstly we're going to select generate content, then we are going to select generate and edit images, and for the Facebook we are going to select Facebook pages, and for the event I'm going to select create page photo post. For the Instagram, select Instagram for business, and for the event, let's select create and publish photos. Same for the LinkedIn, we are going to select share text with image. And here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create. And here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's go through automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here we have selected app and the app event, and it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So here you can see multiple options, but as I've already mentioned that I'm going to run it every day at a specific time. So let's select every day, and for the time I'm going to select 12 p.m. Then we're going to click on the save, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully scheduled our workflow for 12 p.m. every day. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. Now once the automation is going to run, I want AI to generate the post caption for my social media platforms first. So I'm going to use my AI as Gemini. You can use it as OpenAI or Perplexity AI as well. So we're going to build a new connection over here, and it is asking for an API key. So to get the key, click on this hyperlink available over here, and it will direct you to a Google AI Studio account. Here I easily got directed because I was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here, select get API key, and here you can see some existing keys. If you want, you can create a new one from here. I'm going to copy the existing one and we are going to add it over here. Click on the save button and you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me for a text. So in this text column, I need to add a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating a proper post caption. So let me add that. Alright, so I've successfully added a prompt where I've added all the instructions for the AI. Then here for the models, I'm going to select Gemini 2.5 Flash and the methods as generate content. Let's click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the entire content generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now, once the content is generated, we are going to generate a relatable image for the same caption using AI once again. This time to build this connection, we are going to use an existing connection because I've already connected my Gemini account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step. So here for the model, we are going to select Nano Banana Pro, and for the methods, we are going to select generate content. Here it is asking for a prompt. So again, I'm going to add a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI. Let me add that. Alright, here I've successfully added a relevant prompt where I add some instructions and the details as the caption generated by AI. So instead of entering the caption manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that I'm going to receive a new caption generated by Gemini, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first and then we are going to map the caption generated by AI. So this is the caption generated by AI and these are the instructions. After entering the data, we are going to move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the image generated by AI. Let's copy the image link and open it in a new tab. And you can see this is the image generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. But you can see the image link generated by AI is very long URL. And sometimes some social media platforms does not accept these long file URLs. In that case, you need to shorten this file URL using a feature of Pabbly, that is file uploader by Pabbly. So before moving forward to the uploading section, we are going to use file uploader by Pabbly. This is file uploader, and for the app event, select upload file and get URL. After building the connection, it is asking for a file URL. So I'm going to map the long URL over here. For the name, I'm going to give the name as new post.png. Here I've entered the extension in the end because it has been mentioned in the instructions as well. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see this is the shortened file URL. Let's copy it and open it in a new tab. You can see this is exactly the same image. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after getting the shortened URL, we are going to share it as a new post on our social media platforms. So let's begin with the Facebook pages. Here we are going to build a new connection. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we now successfully connected. So I easily got connected because I was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here it is asking us for the page name first. So as you know that I have a page with the name Digital Dynamics. For the photo URL, I'm going to map the original URL over here because Facebook only accepts the original URL. For the description, I'm going to map the content generated by AI, and after adding the details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully shared a new post on our Facebook page. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see a new post has been shared just right now with the same caption generated by AI and the same image. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now the post is shared. Now once the post is shared on Facebook page, we are going to share the same post on our Instagram account as well. So we're going to build a new connection over here. Again, I'm going to give access to my Facebook account because I've already connected my Facebook account with my Instagram account. So I've built a successful connection and it is asking for Instagram account to use. So I'm going to select my account. For the photo URL, I'm going to map the shortened file URL because Instagram does not accept long URLs. For the caption, I'm going to map the caption generated by AI, and after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully uploaded a new post on our Instagram account. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see a new post has been shared over here with the same caption and the image generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now lastly, we are going to share the same post on our LinkedIn account as well, and here we're going to build a new connection. So here you can see it is asking for account credentials. I've already pre-filled over here, so we're going to click on the sign in, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. For the author, I've selected my own account's author from the drop down. For the file URL, again we are going to map the shortened file URL over here. For the content, we are going to map the caption generated by AI and visibility as public. You can select it as per your requirement. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully shared a new post on our LinkedIn account as well. So let's go and check it. And you can see a new post has been shared over here just right now with the same caption and image. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as scheduled by Pabbly and our action as Gemini twice, file uploaded by Pabbly, Facebook pages, Instagram for business and LinkedIn. So that every day at a specific time, my workflow should get triggered. Gemini should generate the caption and the image for my post. Using file uploaded by Pabbly, it should shorten the file URL and share it as a new post on my all social media platforms. You can add more platforms as per your requirement. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to build this free Gemini AI agent for social media posting. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROFYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.